Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to increase your Paga wallet transaction limits by upgrading your KYC level. So once you have logged into your Paga account with your phone number or your verification, so navigate to the menu and select unlock transaction limits. Then you upload a clear self-verified identification verification. Provide a valid government issued ID card such as your NIN, your driver's license, voter's card, or international passport. Then upload a proof of address, such as a recent utility bill, water bill, or waste bill. Then you submit your request. The Paga team will review your verification document and update your transaction limits once approved. If you experience any issues upgrading directly through your account, email your full name, your phone number, BVN, ID card, passports, and for proof of address to kyc_ng@paga.com. kyc_ng@paga.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.